Hi, today we're making marinated chicken wings in the air fryer. For this recipe, we use our kebab sauce as marinade. I will go through the recipe for the kebab sauce at the end of this video. So let's get started. First, you need to marinate the chicken wings. Place them in a mixing bowl and pour over the kebab sauce. Make sure all chicken wings are coated in the marinade. You can refrigerate the wings for a few hours or skip straight ahead to the air fryer if you're in a hurry. Place all the wings in the air fryer basket without crowding it or leaving any wings too tall. Air fry for 10 minutes at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. After 10 minutes, remove the basket and mix up the wings. Make sure all the wings are turned over. Then return the basket and air fry for 10 minutes again, same temperature. Now repeat the same process one last time. After 10 minutes, remove the basket and mix up the wings. Then put the basket back and air fry for 10 minutes again. Make sure you use a digital meat thermometer to check if the wings are done. Let me know if you enjoy this recipe as much as I do. As I promised earlier, here's now the recipe for the kebab sauce. First you add yogurt and labneh into a mixing bowl. And then you whisk until you have a smooth texture. And then you add a sweet chili sauce, hot sauce, green Tabasco, and garlic. And then you whisk the ingredients again. After that you add all the dry spices. That's oregano, kebab spice, pepper, and salt. And then you whisk it until it's all blended. And there you have it. You can find all these recipes at allspicedout.com. Thanks again for watching. Like and subscribe.